Hi everyone and welcome back to Looks and Life. Today I'm going to be talking about handbag protection. Now some people prefer to just leave their handbags, let them age sort of naturally, and that's fine, but for me, if I'm going to spend a lot of money on a handbag, I want to make sure I keep it as pristine as possible for as long as I can. So there's a couple of products I like to use and I'm going to share them with you today. So the bag I'm going to be talking about today is the newest in my collection and it is the Chanel WOC. I haven't used it a whole lot yet, so it doesn't need any cleaning or anything. I have got a blog post about how I clean my handbag, so I'll leave that down below. But today I'm going to be talking purely about protection. So for me, I usually go to Handbag Clinic for any cleaning and protection products. They just work really well for me and they're not that badly priced. So I'll walk through the steps I'm going to take. So there's two products I'm going to be using today. The first thing is a liquid leather protector and the second stage will be a leather protection cream. They work really well together, so those are what I'm going to be using to protect my Chanel WOC today. So all the bottles do come with instructions on the back, so you know exactly what to do at each stage. So all you want to do first is take your liquid leather protector and give it a really good shake just to mix up the product and get it ready for use. Now with these products they do recommend you use a soft sponge or cloth, so what I did, I just bought a really soft microfiber cloth. It actually came like that and I cut it up into 3 bits. One I'm going to use for the first stage, which is the liquid leather protector. The second one I'm going to use for the protection cream, and the last one is just going to be a dry one that I'm going to use at the very end to buff everything out. So once you've given the product a good shake, all you want to do is to spray a bit of it onto your cloth or sponge and just work it into the leather in a circular motion. Take each panel at a time, so I started with the outside flap and then just work slowly in circular movements across each and every panel. Once you've done that and you've applied the leather protector to all of the areas of the bag, all you're going to do then is just leave it to dry in a clean, dust-free area. So once that is all dry, all you're going to do next is take your leather protection cream and again give that a really good shake to mix up the product. And then all I did is just take my second piece of cloth or sponge and pumped a little bit of the product on there. Now it does say to apply sparingly for the best results, so you don't want to add too much to your cloth. What I did is I applied it and just dabbed a little bit off and then started again working into the leather in circular motions. Again, just the same as before, you're going to take each panel at a time, making sure you work it in, but be careful of not using too much. So once you have left that for 10 minutes, the last thing you're going to do is take your dry piece of cloth or sponge and just buff that over into all areas of the bag. That's just going to really restore it and make sure all the product is locked in there and give it a beautiful shine. And that is it, just 3 easy steps and my WOC is all protected. It's looking really lovely in the light and I won't need to worry too much about the weather and things like that. Caviar leather is good anyway, it's a bit more durable, but it's just extra protected now with these products. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're not already, I'd love it if you could subscribe. I'm also on Instagram at looksandlifeuk and I have a blog as well, which is looksandlife.co.uk, where you can find way more photos, videos and things like that. So thanks again for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!